block countertops add warmth and functional style to the kitchen. Caring for butcher block is straightforward and simple. We'll show you how. Use a combination of warm water and gentle dish soap to slow the buildup of grime, scrubbing against the wood grain for a deep clean. Rinse the countertop with a clean, wet washcloth or sponge. Be careful never to saturate the butcher block with water and dry thoroughly with a soft dish towel. For deeper cleaning, use a dishcloth to apply white vinegar. Let the vinegar stand for 15 minutes to work its natural antibacterial magic, then rinse with a clean, wet dishcloth or sponge. As always, dry thoroughly. In determining how often to condition butcher block, the general rule of thumb is to oil more frequently upon purchase. This step is simple with F&D's top conditioners made from food-grade oils and natural waxes. Before applying your first application of oil and wax, lightly sand the countertop. This removes any caked-on debris and makes the surface more penetrable for the oil. Oil not only revives tired wood, it repels future stains. Meanwhile, beeswax conditions and fills in surface textures and nicks. Use a dry cloth for all conditioner applications and consult the package instructions for directions on the frequency of use. With proper care, butcher block ages well with your home. It offers charm and character to a kitchen, nicely offsetting modern appliances. If you're already enjoying your butcher block countertops, stay stocked on conditioning products and cleaning supplies by shopping Wood Cleaners online and in-store. If you're considering installing butcher block countertops in your kitchen, explore Wood Countertops online and in-store for ready-to-install pricing and selection.